Welcome back, friends, to Building Lot Acres. In today's video, we're going to be touring a mill yard. Stay tuned.
One small town New England family living out their adventures, one day at a time, sharing for the whole world to see. This is Build a Lot Acres. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video.
And how big of a log will that cut up?
36 inches in diameter.
What's that got for an engine? Kubota diesel, you said?
This is a 38 horsepower Kubota diesel.
Nice.
This mill's set up to cut 18 feet long, but you can get extensions for it if you want.
All right. You want to take a look at the kiln?
No, let's go look. We just built this winter, and it's heated with that outdoor wood boiler. And through this radiation in here, And you should get it up to about 130 degrees to dry the wood. This is a moisture meter here.
And now we'll get it down to the 12%.
Well, it'll go lower. It should go lower than that. It should go down to about 9, 8 or 9.
Yeah.
If you're going to use it for cabinet work inside, but anything for siding, outdoor work, 12% is fine.
Now, before you said, for air drying, it's about a year or an inch. What does this get that number down to?
Well, yeah, I don't really know. I think you can do it in about a week to 2 weeks.
Per inch?
Yes.
Wow.
A week to 2 weeks.
And how many board feet can you do at a time in here?
5,000 feet.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you still want to stick in the wood just like it
Oh,
was
yeah,
air drying?
yeah, you still have to get the air through it. Now, see, this one is 16.8 now.
Mhm.
And that was 28 when I put it here just the other day. 16.4, pretty consistent.
So this will be your first year using the kiln?
Yes, yes.
Have you used a different kiln in the past?
No, but I had other people dry for me. I had one kiln in Wacasset, Maine. They dried a load for me one time. It took 1 week, and it was really dry. Really, when we planed it, it was dusty.
You also do firewood in a kiln like this?
You can, but I never have. I'm not into firewood, just for my own use. So,
Very cool. Now, how big is this building?
this is 12 by 20. Yeah, it's small kiln. I mean, a big kiln that you could probably put several million feet in. This is a very mini kiln.
Yeah, but still, be pretty handy for drying lumber quickly.
I hope it's going to do the job. I think it will.
And for those watching, they probably don't realize, but a lot of this lumber he's milling is actually for his own projects. He builds custom houses, and you guys, is all the lumber in your houses as far as the finish work and stuff that you guys saw yourself?
The finish work, but we the only framing we use off our mill is post and beam houses. Some buildings are post and beam.
How about like exterior siding? Do you use any of that for this?
No,
Just wood?
shiplap for garages on the houses. Yes, we use that. But I have years ago we used to use pine clapboards, but we don't anymore. It's a problem. The paint doesn't seem to hold up as well as it used to.
Yeah, they took a lot of the oil and stuff out and made it more environmentally friendly.
They took
And
all
we
the
got-
good stuff out of
yeah,
paint,
yeah.
no matter who makes it.
Right. You want to shut the mill off?
Yeah. See, these are 28-inch wide boards,
Wow.
and they're suitable for tabletops or something like that,
Yeah.
And I saw them a little thicker. Most of these are thicker for a tabletop. You see these here are 1.25 inches thick. These were big 36-inch logs. I cut
These are about 10 years old, you said?
Yeah, they've been there for 10, 12 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
They look pretty damn straight.
Yeah, oh yeah, they're,
Gonna say.
yeah, as long as they're undercover like this, they got stickers in, they'll last forever. After it dries, this has been dried, so then we run it through the saw and straighten it. It's called edging it. And then we plane it. And that way, if somebody goes to use it to make cabinets with, there's a good straight edge on all of it. Every piece of wood in here is coming out far.
Those are pretty impressive looking ties. What are those, 4x8s?
These here?
Yeah. 4x10s?
4x10s.
Yeah, 4x10s.
Wow. Yeah, 4x10s.
Pretty-
But you take a board like this and you run it through there, it'll plane all four sides.
Wow.
And also it has attachments to make pickwick paneling, various different kinds
Could
of.
you do like beveled for like cedar siding and things like that?
Yeah, that planer will. That's a very.
Well, it looks pretty heavy duty.
That's.
How old is that planer?
I don't know, but it's 120 horsepower.
Wow.
There's 7 motors on that,
Wow.
and it's automatic feed. I don't know a lot about it. We just got it recently.
What do you guys think about sealing the ends? Is that something that's really required, or?
Well,
Log's gotta sit.
it prevents the ends of cracking on the ends. But it also limits the amount of drying. It takes longer to dry if you got it sealed on the end. So I haven't done it.
What products would you recommend for that?
It's called Anchor Seal. There's probably other companies that make it too.
Have you ever heard of using just like regular latex paint?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it probably, I don't know if it does
It's not
the
like
job.
the Anchor Seal. The Anchor Seal's got like a wax in it. And
Yeah.
it's made for it. It won't, you know.
Is that pretty expensive, that stuff?
No,
No,
I think it's like $20 a quart.
time-consuming thing to put it on, but you see, those boards there, been there for several years, and they're not cracked hardly at all.
Yeah.
Your log is, your boards are going to be generally 4 to 6 inches longer than the footage required. So you're going to be cutting off that area after the board is planed. So,
Well, I want to say thank you, sir, for showing us around the mill and telling us a little bit about it. And
please do it.
until next time, friends, have a good one.